Hey everyone, welcome back to Andy's Guides. If you are anything like me, staying organized is key to keeping on top of your projects. But with so many productivity tools out there, it can be tough to choose the right one. In today's video, we are diving into two of the most popular options, Todoist and Trello. Let's find out which one might be the better fit for you. Okay, so let's talk about what these tools are all about. Number one is Todoist. It is a powerful task management app that lets you organize your tasks into projects, set priorities, and even track your productivity with a karma score. Now, all you're gonna do is, if you haven't already, you might want to click the start for free option, or if you have an account here, just log in using your credentials. Okay? Click on sign up. These are going to be your options. You can continue using your Google, your Facebook, or with your Apple. And after that, now, once your account is set up, as you can see, Todoist offers a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Okay, so you have on the left side panel of your dashboard, you have the filters and labels, right? You have the projects that you're currently working with. For example, I have the Todoist versus Trello. Okay, now on here you can edit tasks that you wanted. For example, you can put in some description like this. You can set priority, like is it priority one, which is a red flag, like giving a sense of urgency, or like a medium kind of priority. You can put in due date, of course. And of course, you can add reminders like date and time and before task. All right. So there's a lot that you can work with. Basically, it allows you to add tasks quickly using natural filters, which I believe is, if you want to have a straight approach onto your productivity and task management board, you might want to go for the Todoist because it's really easy. All right. You can add extension and you can save it. On the upper right corner, you can share this project into. Let me just cancel this one, and you can share this card. You see, you can collaborate with friends and family or add a team to the Todoist instead. Now here, for example, I'm going to be adding, okay, click on done, and you would be able to work with and share projects and assign tasks to others, making it useful for team projects, right? You have the option for the view, list view, board, or even the calendar. All right, but of course, if you opted for the calendar, you might want to upgrade for the plan. You can slide in these toggle option for completed task. The grouping can be from due date, priority, label, and a lot more. You can also sort the task into priority, date, and due date. All right, these are gonna be your messages if you have like created the conversation with one of your work colleagues, if you're working with multiple freelancers or collaborators within this specific project. Here you're gonna be the upcoming task, right? You also can add task again if you wanted. For example, that's gonna be this. You can set the priority, select a project that you wanted to put this specific project. All right, it's basically a straightforward approach here on the Todoist. You can browse templates here if you wanted. For example, you have the setups, you have the popular, which is for work, personal, education, boards, and 2024 goals. You have the customer support if you wanted. For example, if you wanted like an issue tracking, help center article, and feature requests. Okay, so you can choose a lot of here in Andy's guide. In terms of the pricing, you can always hover here to upgrade to Pro. Wherein basically that's going to be $48 per year, and of course that's $4 per month. Now, pricing and budget are one of the key factors when choosing any software applications, be it for productivity, editing, graphics, and a lot more. Right, so you might want to check the pricing first before you dive into a big commitment. Now, the next contender is gonna be Trello. It is another popular task and project management tool that uses a visual board and card system. We have so many Trello tutorials on our YouTube channel that you might want to check out. Basically, Trello's board and card system provides a clear and visual way to manage tasks and projects. I believe it's great for seeing everything at a glance. For example, here, this is going to be my card. So I have all this with all the integration with other platforms, so I can leverage the functionality and automation here on Trello. Now, you see, we're going to go to the first one. You can create a workspace if you wanted. For example, this one, you can create a board. Of course, you can start with a template. It's very easy. Maybe are you looking for a one-on-one meeting agenda, agile board template on Trello, company overview, design huddle. Now, we're going to go to the simple project board for this specific workspace. Okay, you can choose the workspace as private. That means only you can see the workspace. If you're wanted to experiment or just try the specific board, you might want to do that and click on create, so that the board wouldn't be affected if you're working with multiple collaborators. You can enter the list name, add list, and add a card. All right. As for that, you can edit the card when you click on the pencil icon. Right here. You can put in as much as information as you can. All right. You can add members like this one. Right here. Search the members if you haven't. You can create labels. For example, this one is priority. This one is for graphics designer. For example, I'm working with the Andy's Guides YouTube channel. The green ones are for uploading. The yellows are for approval. Maybe the orange are for pending. Reds are no-go. And violet needs like a thumbnail, and the blue one needs a little bit more polishing. So you can label that as well. Of course, you can also attach some files here if you wanted. You can also add a checklist. For example, this one. And you can, what needs to be done. You can add it here so that multiple collaborators can see what needs to be done on the Trello cards and boards. Now, it is also has the automation. When you go to the add power-ups, you can bring additional features to your boards and integrate apps like Google Drive, Slack, and more. Add power-ups, so you would be able to utilize all of the platforms here, right? As you can see, there's a lot that you can use to Trello. Now, I believe that if you need a visual, collaborative tool for managing projects, Trello might be a better fit because it's excellent for team collaboration with features like assigning tasks, adding comments, and sharing files. Of course, it's also ideal for those who prefer the Kanban methodology for managing tasks and projects. You can use boards, lists, and cards to create a highly visual project management, which is highly customizable, all right? You can use the automation and power-ups. But the thing is, if you need a simple task-focused tool, I suggest you go with Todoist, right? Because it is excellent for managing tasks and to-dos with focus on personal productivity. Its clean, straightforward design makes it easy to use. You see, there's no artsy-fartsy happening right now on the left side of their dashboard. It's all filters and labels in a straightforward process. Makes it easy to use. It allows you to organize tasks and projects, labels, and filters that you can also set priorities and deadlines without any technical expertise or any background knowledge. And that's it for today's video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you get updates from our daily content. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.